Well, due to we already released multiply adapter, but some of you guys are never seen about them. So today we're going to show two of them and demonstrate how easy the Mini Prog is used. Okay, here we go. And this is the Mini Prog cable and Mini Prog. We will connect them. After you insert it, you can roll in the Mini Prog to lock it. So first thing we are going to do is that to read the task flow in BMW by Mini Prog. It's very easy. We just connect Mini Prog with the adapter via cable and pay attention to the position of the plug. After that, we operate in Xhorse application. Connect the Mini Prog to phone via Bluetooth. Click Immobilizer, select the BMW and select Task 4 Plus. Read the flash. It may take some time. It's fine. Okay, you can rename the file and find it in file management. After we get a date, we can load it to VVDI 2, which will help us to program the key. And by the way, if you OK lost, you should get ISM from engine. The next one is the IF of the Land Rover. You can take a look at the adapter connect to the PCB. It's very stable. Now we connect the Mini Prog with adapter. Same as before, we click Immobilizer, but in this time we select Land Rover. Select IF, read the D flash and EEPROM. We will read the DF for instance here. Okay, now we have D flash data of Land Rover. You can also find it in file management. Loading the D flash and the EEPROM. In VVDI 2, you could program the key for Land Rover. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.